Hi and welcome to this 11th tutorial in the ColorCraft tutorial series. Today we're going to learn about the palette generation section. Let's first have a look at the interpolation. This feature will take the last two selected palettes and make an interpolated version of the two palettes. The steps number decides how many colors the interpolated palette should have. Next, we have the perceptual ramp feature. This feature allows us to select a base color and then generate a color ramp based of this base color. Let's see it in action. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.